Hello, I'm D. Murph, and today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing cappuccino. So a cappuccino is pretty easy to make. There aren't a whole lot of steps to it. The main thing is getting the milk and the froth right. So I have a 2% milk, have some Starbucks espresso roast, ground very fine for espresso, a frothing pitcher, this is for like a single cup of coffee, and something to take the temperature with, and a shot glass. And then the machine I use is a Mr. Coffee ECMP50 Espresso machine. I like it a whole lot because it has a 15 bar pump, so you get pretty consistent shots. It's easy to clean, pretty easy to run. Now it's definitely on the affordable side of espresso machines at about $75. That's what I paid for mine. But there are nicer machines out there. And then there are a few methods that don't even require an espresso machine to get a shot of espresso. However you get to the espresso is up to you. But the frothing, that is an important thing, and I'll show you how to do it right now. So making an espresso drink is really just about following the right steps and doing that properly. So first I like to prep my shot. Get that loaded into the machine. So it's one fairly even scoop of really fine ground coffee, and you just put that in there. This is 2 ounces, or a double shot, and you tamp it. All right, that's good to go. So we'll just set this on the machine. And next we're gonna froth the milk. So I have a pretty small 1 cup frother, and it has all the different measurements inside. A cappuccino is 3 parts. It's 1/3 espresso, 1/3 steamed milk, and 1/3 froth. And what I've found is about 3 ounces is the amount I need to get that right balance. About 1 ounce will turn into froth. So we're gonna prep the machine. While it's prepping, I'm gonna get my thermometer, put it in here. And with this, basically, it'll steam to about 160, 165 degrees, then it starts to boil and get really crazy. So around 160, 165, we want to stop. All right, this is ready. So we'll just pop it over to steam. And while we're steaming, you keep the tip of the steamer wand on top of the milk. So there's like a tearing noise, you'll hear it. And you slowly go up with the milk. See, so you get to the tearing noise. And you slowly go up with the milk, and that will continue to create froth. You'll see I'm slowly lowering the pitcher. And that froth is coming up. All right, we're about 180. And look at all that. You remember how much milk we had in there? That's all froth. Very important for cappuccino. And I like to give my machine a quick wipe with a wet paper towel on the steam wand, because this helps with cleanup. What'll happen is if that stays on there, it hardens and it's a lot more difficult to take off. There we go. All right, now it's time to construct our cappuccino. So we'll drop the shots. And I hold this glass because with the Mr. Coffee, it'll bounce a little bit. So we're going for 2 ounces. All right, here we are, 2 ounces. And if you want any flavor like vanilla or sugar, you'd put that in the cup before you pour this in. So we'll drop 2 ounces. Then you want to do 2 ounces of milk. And finish it off with the foam. Use a spoon to scoop that out. For a good look, you can swirl it around a little bit. All right, guys, and there you have it. That is a perfect cappuccino. Notice you have about 2/3 of the drink is the coffee and the milk, and then you have the foam on top finishing it out. All right, there you have it. That's a perfect homemade cappuccino with plenty of nice frothy foam on top. Oh yeah, that's good. Really, you can make a quality cappuccino right in your own kitchen. I hope this video helped you with making the perfect cappuccino. There are a few steps to the process, but once you've seen it and tried it a few times, it's fairly simple. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below and subscribe to this channel for more great coffee videos and food videos as well. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video and have a fantastic day.